This is Season 1, Episode 12. I'm going to be talking about Peloton Interactive. Ticker symbols PTON. Most of you, I'm sure, have heard of Peloton. The home bikes. You can just ride these bikes in your house and watch interactive videos as you're doing it, as you're training. And it's done so well. Look at it, it's crazy. But the reason it's got my attention, guys, is because of this consolidation. So I'm trying to get a low risk trade. So let me go down to the daily chart. Let me do a little bit of a drawing. Right, so price has come up, and you can see it's made a high. It's come down. It's gone back up. Tried to break the high, failed, came back down. Now, this has formed a nice strong support area, and then we've got this kind of very small consolidation here, and who knows what's going to happen. You could potentially take the trade on the market open, but I'm going to explain what I would like to do personally. Let me get rid of all that. I would like to see price here. If I can see price touching this line, when I know that this is strong support, previous support, it's a no-brainer. I would take the trade, my stop loss would be somewhere down here, and I'll just take the trade and ride this up to the previous high. Simple as that. Now I'd hold it, I'd hold my nerves at this point to see if it breaks out, because if it breaks out, it's going to break, well, it doesn't necessarily need to, but it should break out because it's been consolidating for some time, and it should break out. So, like I said, guys, I personally would like to take the trade at that support, not really in the middle of all this traffic. I'd like to take it in a nice clean entry. So if you see Peloton down there, why not? I've got to be careful with saying, pointing out these trades. I can't tell you what to do. I'm just saying what I would do. If you took the trade yourself, that's entirely up to you. I just have to keep reiterating that in every video, because it's not my responsibility for your trading. That is a lovely low risk trade if you see price come down to there. Okay, let me just clear this chart up again. I'm hoping that makes sense. If you look at the sales for this particular company, March 2020 up 65%, and then obviously Corona, we get the coronavirus in March, and then June revenue, look at that, up 171%, and then September goes nuts. It's up 232%. So this company's just, the revenue coming in is very impressive. And it's not particularly expensive stock at $154, is it? So yeah, that's what I see with Peloton. I really, I'm impressed with that company. So there it is, guys. That 140 support line looks really ripe for a perfect buy. Now, trading is what it is. Anything can happen. It might, when the market's open, I don't know. It might just end up straight up here and break out. Absolutely no idea. Don't have a crystal ball. But I can just point to high probability setups for you, and you're responsible for what you do with this information. So there it is. Peloton Interactive. This may be one of those stocks. It just goes on, higher and higher. Who knows? But that is a very nice entry point down there. Good luck, guys. Speak to you soon.